I just decided I was going to have a nature walk today in the woods, in the mountains. It's a beautiful day. It's not too cold and it's sunny. So here we go. And I'm going to find the stream, which it's a lot more full after it rains or snows. We got snow on the 24th. Late at night, so really into the 25th morning. And then it hung around for a while in the mountains. It was so beautiful. It hung around on the mountains, and there were icicles, ice crystals, I guess, and a lot of snow and ice to play in on the ground. So that was extra fun. And so the stream was really, really full. And it was pretty deep in some spots. It almost went over the top of my boots. So I thought that was neat. I'll be ready to take a walk to this creek in the summer as well. Hope it gets steep. I like it about winter because you don't have to worry about snakes and ticks. I don't know, I've never known of like ticks to be a problem in the winter. But anyway, so you don't have to worry about so many bugs and snakes and ticks. There's plenty of tree bridges around here. Yeah, the water's not super deep because right here would be a little stream running, and under that tree bridge right there would be some water from the stream. There's some water right there. Just gonna follow this tree bridge and take it off a sweet jump and then make it to the water. Still super sunny. I love it. So the water would be right here too. So many pretty rocks. I'm up here, the dirt has so much like sparkly, fine sand in it. So it's really soft, and just about all of the rocks and all of the dirt is sparkly. I love moss. And ferns. There's a bunch of ferns up here. Just natural ones. So that was a little waterfall right there. And this is where the waterfall was like super flowy, but now it's not, since it's not so deep. After it had snowed, it was big icicles, where it's just like drip snow. It was big icicles on it. And this was really, really deep. But now, as you can see, it's not. And there's a bunch of neat rocks. Oh, it has an echo in here. Ah, I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna fall in the water. There's a hole. I don't know what lives in there. I don't want to meet it. So, anyway, just some drippy water. But yeah, the icicles were like hanging all off of this like root right here. It was really neat. Maybe it's a little bit deep right here. Ah, briars. And some more ferns. I just love those. The water looks kind of slimy. I don't know if it's like algae in some places. Anyway, it didn't look like that when it was deeper. That log looks like beavers have gnawed on it. I don't guess it's gonna break. Okay, didn't break. Kind of deep here. It's on this fern. I guess it is algae. Ah, it's kind of deep right there. Give me back my boot. Mud. It's a little waterfall. It's running down a log that's split. Ah, it's a lot deeper right there. Wow. Okay, I didn't know it was that deep. It almost got in my boots. Yeah, and then it just winds on down further. I guess I'll stop right here. I just let out some water from the waterfall apparently. When my foot made this huge hole right there. Might be draining it. Whoops. Yeah, that definitely made it flow faster. That's right, there's a deeper part. Pretty neat. Well, I'm gonna step right here, and I hope everyone has a great day and a great evening wherever you are in the world. And I'll come back and do another nature video. Gotta walk back. I'll also actually might go jogging, so I might try to put some dirt back in this hole actually. But anyway, yeah, so have a great day and a great night, everyone, and God bless.